Welcome to TNT Tree Service of Kingwood, Texas, serving Humble, New Caney, Atascocita, Huffman, Lake Houston, Channelview, and Northeast Houston areas. We are your elegant tree trimming architecture landscaping experts. Give your home that added property value and beautiful look that elegant tree trimming gives your property. What is elegant tree trimming landscaping? Let us show you how to maximize your home's value and beautify your property with our unique landscaping architecture techniques and treatments for your trees and large shrubs. Tree design, artistic tree trimming for enhanced home beauty. We start at the top of the tree and remove all unnecessary limbs that do not make up the outside canopy of the tree's natural shape. We give you that clean, professional appearance that opens up the beams of the largest limbs to give that fresh, natural, open flow from the top down. Gives you that extra level of security. We have over 30 years invested in perfecting and developing our art of tree trimming and large shrubbery landscaping craft. Let us increase your property value and bring out the elegance of your trees and large shrubbery. Call us at 281-236-8733 or request a quote at www.tnttreeservice.com.